हेलो, गुड इवनिंग ऑल। सो आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं अपना नेक्स्ट वर्ड्स। जो हम लोग अभी तक 4 सेशंस हम लोगों ने वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस के किए हुए हैं। इन दो सेशंस वी हैव कवर्ड इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड्स। सो आज हम अपना 5th सेशन करने वाले हैं। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फिर। सो फर्स्ट वर्ड आज का करते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट। कॉम्प्लीमेंट COMPLIMENT कॉम्प्लीमेंट। ठीक है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मीनिंग होता है प्लीजेंट। प्लीजेंट और courteous एक्सप्रेशन। Expression of praise. So let's try to understand compliment. So we heard that wow, what a compliment, like it's a courteous expression of praise. We are praising someone. So like for example, that someone has done some tremendous work, we congratulate him, we also praise him for his good work. So this is complimenting someone, praising someone. It's pleasant or courteous expression of praise. Okay, it's complete meaning: pleasant or courteous expression of praise. Next word, flattery. Let's try to understand flattery. Flattery is stronger than compliment. Okay, so compliment is normal. Only we are praising someone, till then it is compliment. When we are cajole someone or persuading someone too much, it's flattery. The next level of compliment is flattery. When it become quite personal, so we use the term flattery. Simple, it's a expression of praise. So flattery is like to a certain higher level, when we are praising him for our benefits, like flattery. Next word, adulation. So just let's understand adulation. So we also heard adulteration, ADULT, adulteration. So what is meaning of adulteration? It means mixing of something illegal or मतलब कुछ भी to reducing the pure quantity of something. For example, milk, very common example. We heard it so many times, adulteration of milk. So adding water or something else. So adulteration of milk, reducing its pure quality. So it is this. Adulteration. Then adulation is flattery or worship. To an excessive level. So flattery or worship to an excessive level. When it become more than like flattery, when compliment, so first level is compliment, praising someone. Then second level comes, we have flattery. Then third level of that is adulation, when we are trying to when we the flattery to a certain level, this is adulation. uh, Now we will discuss ways of writing. What are ways of writing? Okay, so first is proscribe. Proscribe, what is meaning of proscribe? Proscribe means legal prohibition. Proscribe prescribe, subscribe. Okay, so these take these three words together. What is meaning of proscribe? So just try to eliminate the root here, scribe. So the root here is scribe, scribe. We find this root common in all these words. Scribe, scribe. Scribe means is to write. Then proscribe, prescribe, and subscribe. Proscribe means prohibit. Doctor so doctors prohibit. Proscribe means if doctor is saying don't take this medicine, this is prescribing. When doctor is saying just take this medicine, this is he is allowing. When he is allowing, we say it is prescribing. When he is saying it is illegal, don't take this drugs, so this is proscribe. Then third is subscribe. Subscribe means is to sign under, write one's name under or order or control. Subscribe to a philosophy. Like subscribe means to follow or to take subscription. For example, we take subscriptions of our data recharge, so these are all subscribes. We are paying for them, we are signing to take the service. This is subscribe. Okay, let's take more words on this scribe root. Inscribe is one more. Inscribe, inscribe. So just find the word scribe means to write. Inscribe, write in or into. Inscribe means होता है write in or into. Inscribe means write in or into. मतलब for example, just take an example. Inscriptions. So the inscriptions come from this word inscribe. Inscribe means होता है to write or to write in or into. किसी में मतलब inscribe मतलब यार उसको लिखना किसी चीज़ पे, inscribe बोलेंगे उसको simply. Prescribe is order, advise or direct. So meaning of prescribe, direct or order, direct or order. So these are meanings of prescribe. Now we take other words. So obvious. Obvious. Obvious means certain, which is easily seen. Not hidden. ऑब्वियस होता है कि मतलब समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी श्योर, विच इज़ वेरी सर्टेन, जो कि हमको क्लियर दिखता है, उसको बोलते हैं इट्स ऑब्वियस. देन दिस इज नाइस वर्ड ऑब्विएट. सॉरी, OVVIAT, obviate. So obviate means is no longer necessary. So example, it's no longer necessary. Okay, so this is the meaning of obviate. OVVIAT. Obviate means no longer necessary. For example, let's try to understand with an example. So medicine obviates need of surgery. For examples, medicines obviate need of surgery. So in Hindi it means medicines ने इसकी सर्जरी की नीड को ख़त्म कर दिया है. So it's obviate, no longer necessary. Surgery is no longer necessary because of medicines. This is meaning of this. Always try to, whenever you see a word, just try to find the root in this word. Then Militate. Militate, what is one? Militate means a soldier, soldier or fighter, soldier or fighter, militate. So military is try to connect with military. So who is in military? Military soldiers are in military. So the militate means soldier or fighter. Then on the base on this we have a very important word. It is militant. But remember, one who fights is not all, or it is not necessary that one who is fighting is a negative person. So, so the militant here we use uh, it the meaning. So the meaning of militant here is reformer. It is all not always necessary that militants are uh, that yes हाँ सो या चलो मिलिटेंट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं ठीक है तो मिलिटेंट्स क्या होते हैं दे आर रिफॉर्मर रिफॉर्मर मतलब शायद फॉर गवर्नमेंट दे आर पर्सन हु आर अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट अरे सो militants are reformer for government they are rebels they are doing illegal but for those they are fighting for those they are fighting they are reformer they are doing good for them so this means this now we have malin 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 take this root it means something bad okay malin means bad so okay we will discuss these in next video okay so we will discuss this root in next video thank you for watching